KimseyUFO. So I'm gonna make this shit short, man. I know I've been ghost for a little bit, man. I've been ghost for a long time. But I got my goddamn, you feel me? I got my stunt driver, man. He gonna hop in the whip, do a little point of view drive for y'all. I'm gonna set the cameras up and shit. And yeah, man, you feel me? I'm gonna have some vlogs out real soon, but for this video today, we just gonna have my goddamn stunt driver do this little point of view drive for y'all, man. You feel me? So hope y'all enjoy, man. We're gonna get straight into this shit, man. You dig? YouTube, what up, man? Feel me? Like I already said, this the Quavers Johnson, you feel me? I know KimseyUFO been gone, man. He gonna come out with a vlog soon. But you feel me? I'm his stunt driver. We're gonna roll around the city for a few minutes, probably like 20 minutes. You feel me? Just turn up a little bit, you dig? Warm this bitch up on this road. They working on this road? Might go straight real quick. Yeah, let's go straight. I ain't been down that street. Go ahead and turn trash on too. Down now. Break it down now. I don't know where these boys at, but I cannot pull over. You know what I'm saying? I cannot get this car in any trouble. So we gotta make sure we're careful, man. Go to somewhere where I'm a little more familiar. These ain't my roads. You feel me? These ain't my roads. Damn, it's only a fucking... Boy, I did not know it was only a fucking... I can't drive on the wrong side of the road now. I would up her, but I can't do all that. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn right here. I need to go through there. Turn that? No, hell no, right here. Oh, damn, it was right there. Fuck. Alright, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way, nigga. We're gonna get into it. Feel me? And I don't drift that much, you feel me? So I ain't gonna really. Then this nigga, of course this nigga getting on this street. We're gonna hit this street real quick.
neighborhood, but these my trenches right here, though. You feel me? These my little trenches. I ain't gonna hit nobody though, man. Phone ain't fall, man. You feel me? What up, YouTube? And this right in the city right here. I should hit that street. Bear with me, man. I really don't know the area too well. This is my city. Trying to duck the boys. I ain't gonna go too much in the main spots. Damn, I shifted shit. Oh, we're gonna keep it straight. Damn, that's the police department. No, I know the police department around here. Matter of fact, we getting up out of here. The police department is pretty close. Damn, what street is this? So let's go this way. Oh, damn, the police right there. Yeah, it's a SUV. There's no exhaust on this car though, so shit. They can't hear too much. But they can hear me. They can hear me a little bit, but not too crazy. You feel me? Fuck it, we on the loose, man. We letting this bitch rip today, man. Probably do a little pool when we get somewhere. Yeah, let me get out the residential areas. I know y'all ain't fucking with that. Y'all like, bro, you could have did that anywhere else. I'm just trying to go where I know police ain't gonna be, you feel me? I can't have nothing happen. But you know, I can see very well, man. I got 20/20, man. If I see anybody in the streets, I'm instantly braking, like, and I'm looking way further than what I am, you feel me? No cap. But yeah, man, I heard from the guy that I'm working with, man. He coming out with more vlogs, more videos real soon. I know he been kind of ghost, but he coming, man. Don't even trip. You feel me? He coming. I thought that was the police right there. And this shit's so residential, man. We in the country with it, feel me? You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no radar, so I don't know where these boys is at. I heard some shit. Damn, we deep in the country with it, for real. I don't know where the fuck we at. What fuck place is that? Damn. is that a Charger right there? Damn, let's go on this road. It's a Charger right there. Hold on, I can't speed right here. That's probably the boys. He gonna hear this car take off and he gonna fuck around, do a pursuit. Damn, these some nice houses, boy. Staying away from them Chargers, boy. Only thing is, I can't tell what my RPMs is at, like when the shit just staying right at 7,000. I guess I gotta go off the sound. I ain't gonna lie, if the boys get behind me, I'm gone. Boy, I'm gone on their ass. And this GoPro don't got a lot of battery. I gotta go ahead and hurry up with this shit. But yeah, man, we got a point of view drive coming out tomorrow. He wants me to drive for that too. It's gonna be with a fast ass BMW, so we're gonna film that tomorrow. And yeah, man, expect more racing content coming. Vlogs gonna still be there for sure. But yeah, man, we gotta get this content going. Three-wheel shits. Now I'm trying to keep my speed a little. I don't want to be too hot with this shit. I could be just going 100 throughout all this shit, passing everybody, but I don't want to be too hot. You feel me? Because my record is clean, and you feel me? I gotta play a little bit smart. We're gonna get past these cars though. Yeah. I gotta make sure I can see the cars in front of me. You know, I ain't no dummy. I ain't no dummy, man. Hopefully this GoPro don't die. If this GoPro die, you feel me? I fuck with y'all boys, and I hope y'all enjoying the video, you feel me? But yeah, I gotta get more used to these paddles. This is like the first time I used the paddles in a minute. I ain't gonna cap. So I'm a little like, it's too curvy. This ain't a good road. I gotta turn off this road. Can't really see shit, dog. I'm deep in the motherfucking country right now. There's another school right here. No, we gotta go. We finna turn around. Go back the other way. We ain't fucking with the school zones, man. Come on, man. Keep the kids safe, man. I ain't never seen this shit. We'll go left. Let's go left. I should have went with that Mustang. That Mustang, like he wanted. Damn, I should have went where that Mustang was going. It's too late now, bitch. Shit, too late now. Yeah, you picked the wrong fucking way. We're gonna do a little pool right here. Wait till I get the exhaust, man. Once I get the exhaust, we're gonna start going crazy. Alright, man, the car a little hot. It's still good, but I'm looking at the time slot. We already been driving like 20 minutes. So, hey, look, this is what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a new stunt driver, you feel me? I ain't really been doing this a long time. I gave it I told bro I'd do this shit for the low, you feel me? So he ain't had to pay me that much, but we're gonna get better with these paddles, and we're gonna come back way harder than this shit, man. And we're gonna hit the highways with it, cause I can cut up through cars and shit. I just, you know, I just don't want to risk it. Like, you feel me? I can't risk it for the biscuit right now, man. So you feel me? But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and cut this video right here, man. I'll do one more pull for y'all boys. I got a car behind me.
Niggas gon' die, I bring that Dre round. Niggas gon'